It's a very nice into the arena. It's a very nice hold. Square, balanced, active forward. Extended trots, it's really extended trots and a nice transition to the collected trots. It could be a little bit the nose in front of the vertical, but there's a lot of expression in the trot work. Needs a little bit more impulse. That's better. It's more forward. Also in the contact. The nose should be in front of the vertical, on the vertical or in front of the vertical. Rein back should be in diagonal, and this time it could be a little more impulse. That's a nice extended. It's really lengthening the frame and more uphill. Fluent transition to the passage. Nice passage, it's rhythm, it's forward. In the piaffe could be more on the spot. It's starting a little bit forward, now it's better. And the rhythm, rhythmical, more in rhythm. Also the transition is more in rhythm, it's nice in rhythm. And I have a lot of expression in the passage. Extended walk. He's really stretching to the bit. There's a lot of overtrack. There's a nice quality of this walk. Also the collected is very straight from here. It's in rhythm. Could be more active to the transition to the passage, but it's a nice passage. It's rhythmical. Transition into piaffe, lost a little bit his impulse. Now in the piaffe is a little bit shorter neck. The nose could be more in front of the vertical. And a little tension in the transition to the passage. And the passage is quite well. Also the transition to the canter. Every change is equal. Forward contact could be a little bit unsteady. Could be more forward. Could be more strict. And a nice extended canter. Ground cover, uphill, and change fluently. It's quite well. Half pass. Changes quite well. It's symmetrical, it's well devised. It seems very easy. It's a very nice one tempi. You can't see the aids of the rider. It's forward. Of course, he could be a little bit uphill in front, but it's nice and fluent. Correct preparation. It's more balance in the pirouette. With a nice pirouette. Really on the spot. Also a very nice change. Start a little bit side steps. It's a little bit bigger than the first one. But there's a lot of quality. It seems very easy. Okay, transition quite well. It's well rhythm. Now also the expression of the extended. Transition to precise could be more clear. More active from behind now in the precise. But it is still precise and is forward. Now it could be a little bit more active in the piaffe, more rhythm, needs more rhythm. But nice forward, fluently. Now it must be a more engagement from behind in the first part of the precise. It's a nice test, a lot of harmony. Sometimes a little bit short, but well written.